Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to connect Google Calendar to Notion. Let's get started. First, go to Google Calendar and on the left sidebar, hover over the calendar you want to share. Example, I want to share this calendar entitled Team Meetings. Next, click the three dots right here and select Settings and Sharing. Click the Access Permissions for Events tab and check Make Available to Public right here. This pop-up warns us that making your calendar public will allow anyone to view your calendar, so make sure to not use this for private or sensitive information. With that in mind, click OK to make the calendar public. Next, let's click on Integrate Calendar and copy the iframe embed code right here. Next, let's move on to your Notion account and open the page where you want to add the calendar in. Then, type /embed and select the embed block. On the provided text box, copy-paste the embed code you copied earlier, but we only need the iframe link. So let's move to the start of the link, and then from here to here, we are going to erase this. This leaves us with just the iframe link. So now click on the Embed Link button. And now you're done. You have successfully connected Google Calendar to your Notion account. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.